Hello everyone, this is Ash, and I want to tell you why the new Cowork from Anthropic is not as strong as Claude Code or even our MyAgentive agent. When you see in the Claude Code, it's similar to the Anthropic Claude. It runs on a Linux virtual machine, which is isolated from your laptop and doesn't have access to all your file system tools and CLI that you already install and configure. This is maybe good for privacy and security and also maybe for Windows machine user who they cannot run the Claude on the Windows CLI directly, but it limiting power user like us that want to and used to the huge power of Claude Code. As you can see, when we trying to actually access to the file system is all limitation and even doesn't have access to the sudo or ability to install a new application. But when we and also it doesn't have access to all the skill we have in Claude Code and it created or install. They have their own connector and mechanism that it use in a normal chat in Claude. But when we go to the uh, Claude Code, we can see that it run in our laptop. It has access to all our file system and CLI that we configure. Like for me, I configure my AWS CLI and it can deploy and configure my AWS system. And also all the skills that are already created, like email for managing my email, or Gemini for accessing Gemini or posting social media, thing that we don't have access there. And similarly, if you look at the MyAgentive, that is an agent that is run, it also run in our My system. And even like here, we cannot show very markdown clearly, but as soon as I tell it, show it in HTML, create HTML file and open the file, and you can see all the skill that has in my Claude Code. So, and of course, this MyAgentive can control from Telegram or VPN, and that is huge different for us. We don't want limitation. It's good for normal user, but it's a limitation for power user like us. I hope this video helped you and be on the journey with us.